ready to go?
Yep.
You ready to drive, buddy?
Oh yeah, man.
You got 10 hours to go.
10 hours to go.
Let's go.
What are your first thoughts?
Dude, I love the amount of space. There's like so much storage here. We haven't even used any of this yet.
It's so nice. Well, because it's all over your bed.
Look at this. Look at this. Storage, storage. Storage. Storage.
That's not necessarily.
Honestly, my favorite part is when this whole thing pushes out though. Like this whole thing expands. You got so much room. Live in luxury. This is bigger than my house.
Anyway, I'm just like
No, I'm good.
so worried about
You're just worried about all the coffee?
I like don't want
You don't want
it
them
to
to spill.
Wait, you gotta put that nicely square piece of butter.
Get my other plate.
Emma, look more excited.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm really trying not to put too much, but you know.
Obviously.
We gotta back up.
But like I'm saying, the environment adds to it, okay?
Hey Colin, what are you getting?
We're going to Home Hardware because we're gonna buy a canopy because this rain's not stopping anytime soon. So we want to be outside at least a little bit. Well, we went in for a canopy and came out with some cedar grilling planks for the salmon. Maybe tonight or tomorrow. But we're off to the next store to look for another canopy. Might be looking for a while. About to go find a canopy. We went to a bunch of different stores and none of them had them. So we are gonna go to Source for Sports that has a 19 by 19 canopy so that we can shoot some more recipes. But we're getting snowed out and rained out, and this is not what I expected for June, but
Nope.
welcome to Alberta.
It should have
There we go.
Alicia, how many meats
Would you rather
have?
have 3 meat or
I'd
5
rather
meat?
have one meat. Like, you don't need that many. Just have like a few
Emma,
pieces.
would you rather have 3 meats or 5 meats?
Because then you 6 meat.
There we go.
What's the update?
So, it is currently 3:05. We are 1 hour late to be beginning our drive down the Icefields Parkway. Visibility, low. Snow on the road, high. Amount of fun, high.
Okay, so the road is open.
It's open, but travel not recommended.
Okay, what's the alternate route?
It will be going towards Edmonton, Calgary, Calgary back. A long
Okay.
way around.
Yeah. Okay.
How long is that?
Okay.
How long is that route?
I will say like that route might take you like 8 to 10 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Those mountains are like
What's up?
No, it's just yourself.
It's picnic time at Payto Lake.
What's going on?
Dude, we're just feasting here at Payto Lake.
How's it, guys?
Whoa, fantastic.
Russell, that was not convincing.
RVs, absolutely phenomenal. Kept us completely dry in the snow, the rain, the hail, everything. We're at Emerald Lake, just outside of Field. Jumping into the lake is highly recommended, but not for the faint of heart. Today we are not faint of heart. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go!